morning students. In the last lecture video series we have discussed about the boiler, boiler types. We have discussed a case study. So before going to today's topic, we will have a discussion about, can anyone tell me what is meant by boiler? Can anyone tell?
It is a device used to convert water into steam.
Very good. So boiler is a device which is used to convert water into steam. Okay. So any real-time applications have you seen, or what are the types you have discussed? Can you tell me what are the types based on the pressure? High pressure boilers and low pressure boilers. Very good. So this is the basic which we have discussed in the previous classes. So today we are going to discuss about a type of boiler called as Lamont boiler. So here we are going to discuss about what are the parts available here and how it is working and what is the construction features in this boiler. So here this boiler is called as a Lamont boiler. So in the previous classes we have discussed about the high pressure and the low pressure boilers and the working. But specifically now we are going to see what is the components of this Lamont boiler, the construction details and then the working. So if you take this Lamont boiler, so here this is the zone where there are different zones where the combustion takes place inside this boiler. So here when the combustion takes place and the fluid gases enters into this boiler, what happens is this fluid gas is passing towards to the exhaust. Okay. So at the inlet, what happens, the fluid gas with more amount of heat is coming inside and then it is going towards the exhaust. So here what happens is the temperature of the fluid gases is very high and it has large amount of heat energy. So this heat energy is converted or transferred to the water which is circulated through the tubes. So now I am posting a question that in the previous class we have discussed about the fire tubes and water tube boilers. Now by seeing this picture, by seeing these features, can you tell me whether this is a fire tube boiler or water tube boiler?
Water tube.
Water tube boiler. Very good. How you are telling this is a water tube boiler? Can you tell me?
So the pipelines are supplied with water.
Very good. Very good. Sit down. Here we can see here. So this is the initial source where water is supplied. So here there is a feed pump. What is the purpose of the feed pump is to send the water from the well to the source. So from using this feed pump, the water is supplied here. So this is an economizer. I will tell you later. And this is called as a superheater. And this water is coming here. Okay. And here again this water is sent here. Okay. So here what happens is, here heating takes place. Okay. Only the water is getting heated and the water is getting heated and then it is coming here. So now what happens is, here steam is separated and then the steam is taken away. So this is the superheated steam to the prime mover. So now clearly understand that this is the feature where, so this is a separate source where water is heated and then comes here. Okay. So again this water is supplied here. It is getting heated and completely heated and converted into steam and comes here where the steam is separated and the steam is going outside. Can you understand now? So this is the construction features. So now what happens here in this Lamont boiler? Here in the Lamont boiler there are different zones are available. Here there is radiant evaporator. Here there is a convective evaporator. Here there is a superheater. Here there is an economizer. And here there is also a superheater. Okay. So air preheater is available in the top. Now can you tell me why these different zones are available? What is the difference? In the previous class we discussed about the conduction, convection and all. So what is the difference in these zones? Why they are separated like this? What is the reason? Any idea? Very good. Tell me. Different temperatures. Okay. So because initially when the fluid gas is entering here, it has large amount of heat energy. Okay. So this heat energy is trapped in each and everywhere. Okay. So finally, when here completely this process, the steam conversion takes place. It is completed. But after that, with the more amount of heat, the fluid gas is going outside. So that amount of heat wasted is also reused here. That will I will tell you that. Okay, that is we are reusing it. So now in the Lamont boiler, what happens is initially, what is the working principle is, so water from the well, water is pumped here. So water is getting heated, and then water comes here. It is preheated. Water is heated. So again the water is sent through a circulating pump to the distributing head to the evaporator. So the water is getting converted into steam. Again this water is reheated. What happens is, again it is, the water is again it is getting heated. So what happens initially, the conversion of steam first takes place from wet steam to dry steam. So again when we heat here, again the steam is converted into superheated steam. Okay, so this is how water is converted into superheated steam in the Lamont boiler. Okay, thank you.